How to manage your beliefs on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and now click on your profile here in top corner and then click these 3 points and click edit profile, and once you're here click scroll down and click beliefs, and here you can manage your beliefs. It's easy, just manage anything you want, like religion and personal priority, and just change it and then click this icon. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.